We know that in an industry such as healthcare, things change constantly, and therefore always strive to improve is our learning value. We want to ensure that people are always keeping up to date with best practices and what's happening in their profession and what's the best way to do things. But it really goes far beyond that. So what we're hoping is that people will really look to help each other. So strive to improve means that you will listen to that brand new grad who maybe has some of the better ways to do things that perhaps you could actually learn from, even though you have 30 years of nursing care. But we also need those really wise, experienced health providers to be able to help the new people coming along. So always strive to improve is really important so that people are doing the regular education that we provide in the organization, but helping and watching and learning from others, because we all know we can always get better at what we do, and what better way than learning from those around us.